Hi guys, good day. Welcome back to Fit and Blessed TV. Today we'll be doing something different from fitness. I'll be showing you guys how I made my friend's hair. I made knotless braid. So I'll be showing you how to make your own knotless braids. As you can see, knotless braids are usually smooth, and if you observe, you see that it looks like it's pulling from the root. So for these knotless braids, I used pre-pulled braids. I also let my friend wash her hair and everything else before I basically started braiding the hair. We leave knotless braids on, natural hair, and relaxed hair will feel differently. So, into it. To do knotless braids, you first have to braid the hair itself, be it natural or artificial. So you can probably plait it itself from the root about 2 or 3 times, and then you have to use a small size braid. So you use that small size braids, and you attach between your thumb and your index finger. As you can see, that's what I did. So for my friend's knotless braid, I used 4 small size braids each time. And then when you attach it between your thumb and your finger, you kind of plait it out once, and then you do the next one depending on how many you want to use. Okay, so depending on how many you want to use, you kind of plait it out like that twice. Or yes, depending on how many you want to use, you plait it out, and then you just, when you finish, so for me I use the 4. When I finish attaching the 4 and plaiting out the 4, I'll just braid it straight down. Now usually the trick for braids is to make sure that the hair itself is not showing. This is what most hairdressers struggle with, because it's not easy for everybody to know how to twist the braid and the hair in such a way that you are able to hide the hair. Because say it's somebody who is using color 33, that's the red, and their hair is black, and you have all the black hair showing on the red, that will look nice. So the idea is to twist the hair behind the braid. As you can see what I'm doing, if you look at it, you see that you can't see any sign of her hair anywhere, although her hair is probably as close to the braid I'm using as possible. But that's basically the trick to this to the whole hair thing. And then you just braid it, and you keep hiding it and braiding it until you have to be conscious about it until you reach to where the person's hair stops, before you now, forget yourself and do what you like. That's basically what I would say. But yes, so you see, when I got there, I was a little faster because I was done with the hair. You see my hand going very fast, like, yeah, ibado. But yes, so at this stage, I had already made several of the hair, and they look so good, they look so smooth and so nice. If you are fortunate to find somebody who knows how to cut hair like myself, well, all the best to you. But if you find somebody who doesn't, my apologies in advance. You will have to suffer with irregularly cut hair that is not braided properly, and all sorts of things. So as you can see, we are almost finishing the hair at this stage. You can see that I've made the front, and then I was going to continue. So I kind of cut it in such a way that I went round somehow. Honestly, I think that's what I did. I believe that's what I did. But I wasn't able to show you guys everything because, And then what I was using to apply on the hair itself was a leave-in conditioner to make it a little easier to handle. Because, to be honest, I have natural hair, and I know the pain when it's being pulled, either to comb it, to braid it, whatever it is you want to do with it. And especially if it's long, it's even harder to work with. So guys, showing you again how it's done. You braid the hair itself 2 times. I did it 2 times. And when you do this, then you attach your hair, that's your attachment, I call it attachment, well, your extension, in between your thumb and your index finger. And of course, remember how many numbers you are using. I used 4. So you attach it the first time, you plait it out or you braid it out. You attach the second one, you braid it out. You attach the third one, you do the same thing, and to the fourth one. And after that, then you braid the hair down. Well, you plait it down, if that's what you call it. Because I've learned that there are 2 different things they call it. So after that, you can see what I just did. I then attached, that's my last one, and I started braiding it down. Remember to hide the person's hair. Doesn't matter if the hair is relaxed, doesn't matter if it's natural. Just hide the hair, as that gives you a certain edge over other stylists, of course. And so at this point, the hair was done, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. You can see that you can't see any sign of her hair. You can actually differentiate the color of the braid. But yes, so there was no hot water put to the ends at this point or on the scalp, but I'm just showing you guys what the hair looked like at this point. So basically this is it. It looked very lovely, it felt very lovely. I'll advise you guys to actually try knotless braids, and it will just feel so light on your head. It's almost as if you have nothing on your head. It actually feels, I made one myself, so I know how it feels as well. So yes, our braids are ready. Knotless braids, ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like. Let me know what you liked the most about the video. Have a good day. Bye bye.